7 Essential Radon Mitigation Techniques for Concrete Block Foundations. Keep your clients safe with these proven methods. Swipe to learn more. Seal foundation openings. Locate all soil access points. Seal cracks, joints, and openings with polyurethane caulk. Focus on perimeter areas. Pay special attention to utility penetrations. Trap floor drains. Use mechanical traps. Install one-way valves that allow water out but prevent gas entry. Seal unused drains. Permanently seal any floor drains that are no longer needed. Sump pump covers and ventilation. Airtight cover. Install gasketed, sealed cover to prevent gas entry. Exterior venting. Route 3 to 4 inches PVC pipe to exhaust gases above ground line. Foundation area ventilation. Install inline fan. Use 150 to 300 CFM rated fan for effective depressurization. Root exhaust pipe. Maintain 10 feet clearance from windows and air intakes. Monitor performance. Install U-tube manometer to verify system operation. Heat recovery ventilation. Balanced air exchange. Creates positive pressure in living spaces. Energy efficiency. Recovers 70 to 80% of heat energy during air exchange. Improved air quality. Filters incoming air while exhausting radon. Slab depressurization. Penetrate slab. Core drill 4 to 6 inches hole through concrete to access soil beneath. Install suction point. Create void space with 5 to 20 gallons of aggregate if needed. Connect to exhaust system. Root pipe to exterior fan and vent above ground line. Block wall treatment, final critical step. Seal tops of block walls and vent wall cavities to exterior through dedicated exhaust system. Need more technical guidance? Tag a fellow radon professional who could use these tips.